Hi everyone, my name is David and I'm here to let you know that GPT-4 is out. Now, GPT-4 is OpenAI's most advanced system and it's multimodal, looking really good. It's producing safer and more useful content. Now, it's already available to try on ChatGPT Plus, but you can also join the API waitlist. So, seems like they want us to get ChatGPT Plus. You can do that. It's about $20 a month. And then let's see a couple of things that it's going to be able to do. So ChatGPT can solve difficult problems with greater accuracy thanks to its broader general language and problem solving capabilities. So for example, they've got a couple of examples here. There is the creativity section, visual input, and longer context. So for example, GPT-4 is more creative and collaborative than ever before. It can generate, edit, and iterate with users on creative and technical writing tasks, such as composing songs, writing screenplays, or learning a user's writing style. This is highly welcome and probably something that people will use a lot. On the right is the input and the output to show you what it's going to look like. Next up, we've got the visual input, and GPT-4 can access images as inputs and generate captions, classifications, and analysis. This is highly welcome if you probably don't know how to kind of give or generate captions or maybe alt text, then you can use this. So for example, input, what can I make with these ingredients? So for example, we've got some eggs, flour, milk, I think, or cream somewhere here. And then let's see the output. There are many options for what you can make with these ingredients. Some possibilities include pancakes or waffles, crepes, French toast, omelette, quiche, custard, cake, muffins. These are just a few examples, but the possibilities are endless. So that's highly welcome. Really awesome to see that in GPT-4. And then we've got longer context text. So GPT-4 is capable of handling over 25,000 words of text, allowing for use cases like long form content creation, extended conversations, and document search and analysis. So for example, there's an input text from this is Wikipedia. Describe her Super Bowl performance and what made it special. So you get this particular output, etc. and whatnot. Let's continue. And this is what happens. GPT-4 surpasses ChatGPT. ChatGPT exploded, went like wildfire, but GPT-4 now surpasses ChatGPT in its advanced reasoning capabilities. So for example, if we look on the left, we've got ChatGPT, the input. This is just a quick scenario of when this can be done, and then you can see on the right a quick summary and all that. Not a lot of text explaining things that can be done simply. GPT-4 really now shows where it surpasses ChatGPT in its advanced reasoning capabilities. And then we can look at GPT-4 outperforms ChatGPT by scoring in higher approximate percentiles among test takers. There is like the uniform bar exam, ChatGPT 10th, GPT-4 90th. Biology Olympiad, ChatGPT 31st, GPT-4 with Vision 99th. So following the research path from GPT, GPT-2, and GPT-3, our deep learning approach leverages more on data and more computation to create increasing sophisticated and capable language models. That's highly welcome. And then they've spent 6 months making GPT-4 safer and more aligned. GPT-4 is 82% less likely to respond to requests for disallowed content and 40% more likely to produce factual responses than GPT 3.5 on our internal evaluation. So that's what I've done. And we are currently, for people who are using ChatGPT, it's on GPT 3.5. So you can imagine how much better GPT-4 is going to be. And then they've got some safety and alignment here. So they've got some training with human feedback. We incorporated more human feedback, including feedback submitted by ChatGPT users to improve GPT-4's behavior. We worked with over 50 experts for early feedback in domains, etc. Just a lot of write-up here. And then you can see a couple of projects that have been built with GPT-4, where they've collaborated with organizations to build innovative products. And we've got a couple. We've got Duolingo. This is a language app on your phone. GPT-4 depends the conversation on Duolingo. You can do that. And then we've got Be My Eyes. Be My Eyes uses GPT-4 to transform visual accessibility. That's highly welcome. And then we've got Stripe. Stripe leverages GPT-4 to streamline user experience and combat fraud. So that's really, really awesome. And we've got Morgan Stanley, Khan Academy, Government of Iceland. So to preserve its language, that's really, really awesome. And then we've got a couple of more material, Meme, Harvey, Speak. So you can check it out. I'll leave the links below. And then we've got some research here, and then we've got infrastructure, and then we've got some limitations. I think I'd like to talk about this. GPT-4 still has many known limitations that we're working to address, such as social bias, hallucinations, and adversarial prompts. We encourage and facilitate transparency, user education, and wider AI literacy as society adopts these models. We also aim to expand the avenues of input people have in shaping our models. So that's highly welcome. And obviously availability, it's available on ChatGPT right now, and also as an API for developers to build application and services. So obviously what they want us to do is try it on ChatGPT Plus. So you need to pay $20 per month to try it out, but it's way better than joining the API waitlist if you're not a programmer. So that's it. GPT-4 from OpenAI is available on ChatGPT Plus. Try it out and see if what they're saying based on their write-up is what you get. That's it. I'll see you next time.